Boat race day in Cambodia, when the village sportsmen assemble in droves for their annual water festival. This has been going on for more than 1,000 years, and the boats and the rules are much the same as when the whole thing started. British and French troops stationed in this bit of Indochina get ringside seats. During the festival, there's a break in the jungle telegraph system. The announcers got a new job. They're off. Cambodia's crack paddlemen, 40 to the boat. Not quite Oxford and Cambridge, but they certainly can move. It's a close race, with Big Chief Bigger Banga pulling out to win by a length. After this, the boys go back home for another year's training.